Hey guys, this is my Stirling engine. Today is Tuesday, February 9th, 2010. Yep, this is it. Single cylinder. How it works is you have a heat source or something, and the air will expand inside this chamber. Then this big foam thing right here, this is called a displacer. As that pushes down, as this pushes down, then the air goes up into this little piston, and it moves up. Then the air cools up in here, and it pushes it back down to get reheated, and that's how the cycle goes. Now, I already boiled some water, so I'm going to place it on here, see if it'll run. Now, it won't start up right away. It takes a couple of seconds for it to warm up here. Okay, might run now. I think it goes clockwise this way. Yeah. In the beginning, it goes pretty slow. The average runtime for this is about, the longest I think I got this to run was probably an hour and a half. There, it started moving. That thing will go for about an hour, hour and a half, till the water needs to be reheated. Yep, that's it. And then also, how these run is you need a temperature difference from the bottom and the top. For this engine, it's a low temperature engine, Stirling. So as long as there's like a difference of about 15 degrees from the bottom and the top, then I think it'll run. Now, if you would want it to go faster, or I think even run a little bit longer, you're able to put ice cubes on top of here, so it'll make the air just be cooler. I got this thing running very quick once. And then also, if you want to, instead of this being hot water down here, you could have this be an ice pack, but it doesn't go as quick. Flywheels on there crooked. Had it perfect, but then I dropped it. That's why there's a little crack right there in the acrylic. Yep, so that's about it. Okay, see you guys later.